In this video we will be taking out a grass trimmer, taking it all apart and seeing what's inside and how to take it all apart. Here are all the main tools you will need to take it all apart. So yeah, firstly what we're going to have to do is drain all of the fuel in there, that's the fuel. And then yeah, once you've done that, you take it out. You're gonna get yourself an Allen key, and you're gonna put it in these holes. Yeah. So once you've unscrewed these 4 bolts, there and there, and then once you lift it off, then you're gonna see these 2 little tubes holding it in down there into a carburetor. So what you're gonna have to do is take out that little piece from the inside, like that. Now, our fuel and the bracket holding the fuel should be separated from this. Should look like this. Then you're gonna want to take out this screw, which is on the left hand side of the trimmer. So once you've taken out the fuel and the top piece of the carburetor, you don't want to take out this. No, you don't want to take out the spark plug from here. Like that. See a spark plug there. I'm gonna get in there. And I'm going to twist it. Like that. Then just unscrew it. It should look like this. Put it to the side, and then yeah. Then once you've done that, you're gonna want to take out the pull stop. And then there should be 4 bolts here, and 2 underneath. Here and here. And you're gonna want to do that with an Allen key. So yeah, once you've pulled out the 4 screws to there, and then yeah, from the pull stop, I want to take out this top bolt here with a screwdriver. Once you've taken out that top bolt, there was another one down here on the side, just like that. It should be able to lift off. So once you've got all the plastics out, this is what it should look like. The next step we're going to want to do is take out the carburetor down here. These 2 bolts with an Allen key, and take them out. So once you've taken out the 2 bolts, this is what it should look like. I've also taken out the plastic cover from there. Next up, I want to take out this piece here. We put it on the side like that. And you see some bolts right there, there, one there, and here. You're gonna want to take them out. Once you've taken out this from here, it should look like this. Yeah, then gonna want to take out this little exhaust here. Get yourself an Allen key here, and then just unscrew that. Then there's another bolt down here. Just unscrew that as well. So once you've done that, the exhaust here in 3 different pieces. That's the top piece. that goes onto this, and that's the bottom piece that goes under that. And this is what it should look like. Go down there, and you might be able to see it moving in that. Yep. So that's cylinder moving. Then what you're going to want to do, get yourself Allen keys again, unscrew these 4 bolts down here, and 1 down there, to take out this top piece, the bottom piece here. So, once you've taken out the bolts from there and disconnected it from this, this is a whole separate piece. Now this is the engine with a carburetor wiring, and an on and off switch, and a throttle down there. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. Yeah, and all the tools, all the parts, the plastics, yeah. Right. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just write them in the comments.